I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the essentials fast. First, sign in with an administrator account so you can view and change system details. Once signed in, press Windows key plus pause to open System Properties and check Windows Edition, installed RAM, and System Type. Then open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC to observe current CPU, memory, disk, and GPU usage. This helps you identify immediate performance bottlenecks before digging deeper. Now you'll gather detailed data. Type msinfo32 and run it to generate a complete hardware and software profile. This explains installed drivers, BIOS version, and resources. Next, open Device Manager to inspect drivers, update components, and resolve unknown devices. Right-click to update or view properties. For storage details, launch Disk Management or run DiskPart to see partitions and free space. This shows whether resizing, formatting, or cloning is needed. Finish by saving what you found so you can compare or share it. Export msinfo32 or run systeminfo and redirect output to a text file for a full report. This makes troubleshooting easier. For graphics or sensor details, run dxdiag and consider CPU-Z or SPECI for granular readings like temperatures and clock speeds. If information is incomplete, make sure devices are connected and drivers installed. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode and recheck to isolate software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.